Hello to all you lovely people out there, and welcome to my channel. I'm Octavia D. Mason, self-published author, entrepreneur, and YouTuber. And on this channel, my passion is all about giving the best practical writing tips to beginner writers, helping them shift from novice to published author. Let me let you in on a little secret about why I began writing books. I started because I had a story to tell, but I didn't know what I was doing. Though I knew about point of views, I didn't know which point of view would have been best for me in the book that I was writing at the time. And though I knew about characters, I didn't know how to make my characters as realistic as they can be. And I struggled moving from point A to point B without stopping and asking myself if what I was writing and how I was writing was the right way. But this channel wasn't created to give you the right way, because if we're honest, there isn't a right way to write. There is only the way that is best for you. I'm here to help you through the writing process, to be the guide I needed 8 years ago when I began to write my first book, the guide I know you need today. And as your guide, your humble and loving guide, I want to make this writing process a smooth experience. And it's why I not only give writing tips, but I give practical writing tips. So, lovely people, it's time to pick up that pen and paper. It's time to write.